In today's video, I will guide you on how to disable web result in Windows 11 Start or Search menu. That means if you go to the Start or if you click on Search, you can see a web result here on the right side. Windows Search has now come a long way since the early days of its inception. The feature now supports file indexing, instant searches, autocomplete, file type searches and much more. You can also search the web directly from the Windows Search to find relevant result as well. If you are not a fan of web result in Windows Search, then here is how you can get rid of them on your PC. Because sometimes it can be annoying or a hindrance to the task at hand. So the question is, can you officially disable web result in Windows Search? No, you cannot officially disable web result in Windows Search. You can, however, use the workarounds mentioned in this video to disable web result in Windows 11 on your PC. You can do that using the registry editor. First, go to the Start and just open the Run dialog box. You'll get it here. Run app, just open it. And from here, just go to regedit. And just enter. Now you have to navigate to the following path, that is current user, and from there to the software and to the policies, Microsoft and Windows. Now go to the Explorer. Now go to the right panel, that is the empty area, and right click on there and click New and select dword 32-bit value, and now name the new value as Disable Search Box Suggestions. Click on OK and then double click on this value and set the value as 1 and click on OK. And now you can close the registry and then you have to restart the system. And once restarted, web result should be disabled within Windows Search. So I'm going to restart. So once restarted, you can go back and check whether the web result is disabled or not. So go to the Start. Now from there, I just click on the Search. Yeah, you can see that the web result area is now blank. So this is how you can disable web result in Windows 11 Start or Search menu. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.